Welcome to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you step by step how to fix E30 error on your Bosch washing machine.
Fix 1. Power reset, quick and safe. Step 1. Turn off the machine. Step 2. Unplug it or switch off the breaker. Step 3. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then power back on. Step 4. Run a short rinse or spin cycle to see if the error clears. Fix 2. Drain filter and hose check. Step 1. Locate and open the drain filter, usually at the bottom front. Step 2. Remove debris, lint, or obstructions. Step 3. Ensure the drain hose is not bent, blocked, or kinked. Step 4. Replace the filter and run a quick drain, spin cycle. Fix 3. Check for water in the base, flood sensor activation. Step 1. Turn off power and water. Step 2. Place a towel behind the unit. Step 3. Tilt the washer forward, about 10 to 15 cm lift, and keep for 30 to 60 seconds. Step 4. Set it upright, reconnect, power on, and test. Fix 4. Inspect the door seal water inlet. Step 1. Open the door and look for clothes caught in the seal. Step 2. Look for leaking around the door that may drip down. Step 3. Also, check inlet hoses and valve filters for blockages or low pressure.